All right, guys, this is a 10mm bolt. This is a 10mm socket. Fits perfectly, okay? Now, this is a 3/8. Hopefully you can see. If you do a quick search on Google, it says this is the closest to this. It is not. Is it 13/32? Again, 10mm. Okay? This is closer to this than this. I don't know how they arrive at that, but this is the fit. This will work 100%. Use it all the time. When I saw that, I was like, what is this? Makes no sense. All right, I just wanted to clarify that. 10mm socket and 13/32. Perfect fit. All right, thanks for watching.